This is me outside during wintertime. Original mountain man. Snowing. Walking backwards. This is awesome. You ain't gonna get footage like this nowhere else. Hope I can hear that. And check this out. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. This is so cool. First snowstorm of the year. Wow. This is awesome. I am really glad I got this touch on camera. Yeah. Look at this stuff coming down. Yeah. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be embarrassing. There's a light coming down the home stretch. Wow, this is so cool. Hope my battery doesn't die. There's a lamppost. There's Darren's car. Man, look at that stuff. That's what I'm talking about. This is when we're at Nassau. So if we ever move again, I'll know. There's my own dad's car. No. I'm gonna turn it off.